Okay, so basic structure is almost ready, and this section is not required. Perfectly straight. This thing is ready now, and attach this with this because these two like goes together everywhere. Now let's see. Now the friends. Yeah, I have one, two, three, like five, six of them. So for this also, I can say it's like this is like pretty huge. So compared to this, so I'll reduce the scale. Decent, and this one cannot bend. I can see this section. This section cannot bend because there is no in between loops. So what I'll do, I can just select this, and then I can add like I can simply or not. I just need this section only, right? Edge, polygon wise. Where is my hide unselected edge mode? Select this. Where is my connect? Two, three cuts. I just added just to bend it because otherwise it won't bend nicely. And one more thing I'll do is I'll just make sure these lines are perfectly straight. Okay, done. Now polygon mode and unhide all, otherwise it won't work. Shift, and if I want, I can snap it here, like keep it little here. Six, five more. Attach. Bend. 316. 19. Y. Minus 90. Sorry. Plus 90. Not this direction. Oh, zero only fine. Oh, what I am doing. Okay, but you can see it's creating this kind of distortion. Reason my mesh have all this history. So reset XForm, collapse it. So there is no history. Pivot point, center object, done, bend. Now if I
Sir, in the reference, it is a cubicle, right? Like there is a cubicle where people can stand.
no, that is this section.
Ah, okay,
I
this
creating
one.
this one.
Okay.
So like I'll use this shape. So before bending it, I'll keep a duplicate of this so that I have a backup.
We can repurpose it.
I can yes, it's I can have a backup of this thing, move it, and this is my main model. So you can see like one model only used multiple times in a different style. Say 60. See, this time it's perfectly becomes circle. So that reset exform those history nodes and all those things were there. So that's why. Yes, done. Center. So now I can select all three of them and align them nicely. Alt A, this, scale it down slightly, little inside, perspective. So and then upper section. That is something also I can create with the help of that this thing. So what I'm planning is front. Let's see, G graph. So I'll just select all of them together, attach, 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 like one solid geometry, and make sure it's somewhere here. Select this, export, selected. This is my tower. So the top part is already there. So I just need to cap this section and then place it there. Like this, you can see like I'm just creating model, importing into my scene, and finishing it. So it will become really easy for me because by the time I finish my model, my entire scene also will finish plus my entire, what is this? Correct. What is this? Some glitch. This one, like what I'm planning is to create this because there is a multiple layers and this part is not completely visible. So what I'm planning, I'll create a ceiling or something for this, and then I'll create this thing like a multi-story. This thing we can do it, or maybe I can extend this thing and generate something that also can be done. The basic idea. So like this, I can generate my entire scene and like this thing tower. I can create one and duplicate. So basically, it's a kind of a fort or something. You see, it looks kind of fine. Yeah, you can see everything scale wise. Let's see. Okay, I cannot pass through this thing. Why? Why cannot I pass? Why can't I pass? I guess because of collision or what? So that I'll check. So like this, I'll generate one by one this thing, and then I'll start working on textures and everything. So you can see like my mesh, like my scene is coming together, everything, and I'll place all this scene one by one, and I have this basic shape. I'll bring it here, and this cubical kind of shape, like three of those section. I'll create it here. I can bring only one and rotate place, rotate place. I can do that. For the roof, I can create only one box and bring it here and place it. And like few of things are remaining. This side arches are remaining pending. This is I'll create and bring it. And this pillar I have to like fix it because this pillar this is a basic pillar, but it's I can see a lot of design. This design I have to incorporate in my this thing model. I'll do it. Yeah. So soon, like I guess within this week, we should be able to finish our model, and then we'll start with foliage, texture, UV, rest of the things. We'll do that. Just quickly a second, take attendance. I have another class. Environment. Environment. 2, 201. Let's see. Check participants. Christina present. Then we have Divya present. Then we have Sonam. Sonam, Srijal Roy, and we have Uday. So like similar manner, like start working on your engine and your model together. Don't wait for like I'll finish my model, then I'll import it to Unreal, because you will losing time, because you waste you'll waste a lot of time. So if you do work together, you is to speed up your entire process, and plus you know exactly what to do based on your scene appearance and everything. You can like you see, just to make it look this rocky, I just simply applied a texture, basic texture on this randomly. So place everything, and then one by one start creating those design everything, and then start adding texture. Okay, and I'll see you guys like whenever we have class. When we have class,
Tomorrow?
or tomorrow is there? Yes. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Yes.